Italy panic. Naples earthquake sparks fears of Campi Flegrei, supervolcano awakening. A powerful 4.6 magnitude earthquake struck Naples on the 27th of October, 2025, sparking anxiety and fear among residents. The quake, the strongest in 40 years, shook homes and raised concerns about the Campi Flegrei supervolcano, which has long been considered dormant. The Campi Flegrei supervolcano is one of the largest and most dangerous volcanoes in the world. Its last major eruption, approximately 39,000 years ago, profoundly altered the geology and climate of the surrounding region. If it were to reawaken, the supervolcano's impact could be devastating, affecting vast areas of southern Italy and even causing global climate impacts. History records significant changes caused by Campi Flegrei's activity, such as the formation of the Monte Nuovo crater in 1538 by a previous eruption. Residents in the area have long lived in uncertainty, and the recent earthquake has only reinforced these long-standing concerns. Pozzuoli Mayor Luigi Manzoni urged residents to remain calm and await the results of the investigations conducted by volunteers and local officials. To date, there have been no reports of severe damage from the earthquake. The local government has intensified surveillance by inspecting buildings and infrastructure to ensure public safety. Volcanologists are increasing monitoring of Campi Flegrei's activity using advanced technologies, including seismic sensors and measurements of volcanic gas. Indicators of pressure changes and ground displacement are also being monitored to detect potential increases in magma activity as a precautionary measure should the supervolcano reactivate. This situation serves as a reminder that the threat of natural disasters in Naples remains very real. The government continues to coordinate response efforts and provide reliable information to the public, encouraging them to stay vigilant and avoid panic. Awareness and preparedness are key to facing the worst-case scenario. The public is urged to always follow information from official sources and prepare thoroughly. Vigilance and preventative measures are the best protection against a potential supervolcano reawakening, which could have widespread impacts.